What's up, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to show you a secret psychological hack that you can use in your social media posts that will actually help them perform better. For me personally, I found that once I started implementing this strategy, my posts actually started getting double the reach they were getting before. So I'm really excited to share this with you. The reason why this strategy works is because it follows the AIDA model. So for those of you who don't know, the AIDA model is a common model that's used for marketers to help grab people's attention. So it's the A starts for awareness, the I starts for interest, the D starts for desire, and then the last A starts for action. So you want to follow this strategy in your carousel posts. Keep in mind the strategy will only work for carousel posts. And what you want to do for your first slide is to go ahead and put in a very juicy hook. A simple hack that I like to use is to go onto CoSchedule's free headline analyzer tool, and I will not use hooks if they have a lower score than 80. And this makes sure that your hook is really enticing from the get-go. Now, from slides 2 to 4, what you want to do is you want to build up interest and you want to build up desire to get to the value that was promised in the hook. So there are key phrases that you can use and you want to keep them benefit focused. So slide 1 is your hook, slide 2, 3, and 4 are all just layering on benefits that the hook is going to deliver on. Then what I like to do is I like to throw in a graph or a chart or something that looks scientific and data driven. Ideally, it should be data driven and it should be accurate information, but you want to present it scientifically, okay? This is going to make people feel like your information is a lot more credible. And once again, I want to stress, like, make sure it is credible. I don't support you guys lying or making up untrue or false statistics, but it's really important that the information on this slide is portrayed scientifically. Then on the next 1 or 2 slides, what you want to do is go ahead and lead up to the big reveal of the value that your hook promised. And then finally, your last slide is going to be your call to action. So this can be to a freebie, a lead magnet. It can direct them onto your website, however makes the most sense for your business. Something I do want to mention really quick here is I do have a free Instagram growth accelerator training. And in the bonuses, you actually get these templates for free. And they're catered to both product and service-based businesses. So if you're interested in getting access to those templates, make sure you sign up for the training down below, and I will catch you on the next one.